here. Barrel still got a few dirt. He's still working on them. And he's getting sexy. And he's getting sexy over there. Alright, he's got it. He's in the head right there. There we go. He's got it.
Got it, baby.
Snake tattoo going through.
Where we at, Robert?
That'll slow it down. 1 minute, 25 seconds. 1 minute, 25 seconds left to go, ladies and gentlemen. 1 minute, 25 seconds left on the clock. 1 minute, 20 seconds. It's intense. At the 1 minute mark, I want everybody to start cheering them on. We're down to 1 minute.
Oh my God.
Look at that. 10 more seconds for the 1 minute mark. Come on, guys. Keep it up. Keep it going. Keep it going. 1 minute, let's go. 1 minute, 1 minute mark. Snake tattoo pushing through. Hold it in, man. Hold it in, fella. Hold it in. Bring it up, man. Keep it up. Breathe, breathe, breathe. You guys are slowing down. We got 44 seconds left on the clock.
Down slowly. Get it down.
Barrel's out. Barrel's out. Keep going, Derek. Barrel's out. Snake tattoo still in.
No.
30 seconds, guys. 30 seconds. You're down to your last 30 seconds. Come on, then. Come on, everybody. Let's keep it going. Let's cheer them on, people. The last 30 seconds. 20 seconds. 20 seconds. 20 seconds.
Get down, baby. Get down.
15 seconds left on the clock.
No, get that down first.
Get that down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. Hold him. Finish up what you got.
Oh my God.
Finish up what you got. You're out. He's out again.
Oh my God, is he gonna cute? He's
Alright, how you doing, Eddie? Yeah, 20 seconds to finish that up, man. Come on.
Oh my God.
Come on, Eddie. Come on, Eddie. Come on, Eddie. Come on, Eddie. You can do it, Eddie. Come on, Eddie. You can go. Alright, good. You gotta wrap it up. You gotta end it. Come on, man. Come on, man. Finish by Eddie, everybody. You gotta appreciate the powerhouse behind that. Alright, we're gonna take a couple minutes to tally up, and then we got the big winner coming up.
Eddie.
Drink the water. Maybe in the box. There you go, look. I go. Hold it down. Come on, make believe it's mommy's flan. Come on, baby, let's do it. Come on. Ivory ball. Yeah, that's right, you got it down.
Snake's still chewing?
Snake's good.
You gotta be done, man. Swallow it right now.
Let's go.
You gotta be done.
You gotta wrap it up.
Theoretically, he puked, man. Eddie puked. Oh, it's after the fact. Snake, open your mouth, man. You gotta be done. You wanna let that shit out.